Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Grand 2, and today I will show you how to unroot the device. So previously I already showed how to root it. Now if you want to remove that, which you would want to do, I mean, number one, I'm going to actually show that it's rooted and not like that. I don't care for ads, so let's try that again. So as you can see, the device is rooted, as you can see right here. And to unroot it, I'm gonna use the same app that I used to root it, which is Root King or Kingroot. And when you go to it, you can tap on the three little dots right here and go into settings. And from settings on the bottom, you'll have uninstall Kingroot, and with uninstallation of it, you will also remove the root. And also, if you use the other ways to root it, it will still work. I used previously a Kingroot, but for on a Windows, when you plug it in with the cable, and it still would remove the root when you're using just the program right here on your phone. And if you want to download this app, because you don't have it, you can just navigate into internet and then type in kingroot.net. So once more, kingroot.net, like so, and you will basically be on this page where you can tap on free download, and it will automatically start downloading. You can then install it and launch it to get into the app. So going back to the app, once more, you will tap on the three little dots here, settings, and then go down, install. You'll get a little information that it will remove the root, so just tap on continue and then OK, and let the process begin. As you can see, root access has been removed. So let's see if that is correct. If I go back into the root, just a second. And as you can see now, the device is not rooted. Before, when I open it, before that ad appeared, I think it just didn't refresh it, so now it's refreshed, and as you can see, it's not rooted anymore. So that is how you would remove a root off of the device. Now just to finish this process and remove like any kind of residue from basically the system, you could always go and do a hard reset of the device. I'm gonna actually do it as an example. So I would go into the settings, and then into general, and right here, backup and reset, and tap on factory data reset and confirm it once more, and delete all. And now the phone will begin to remove all personal data and basically install a fresh, clean version of Android. As you can see, now the process has been finished, and can be now sure that there is nothing left from the root. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.